Most guys trying to grow thick hair are doing one thing completely wrong, and it has nothing to do with genetics or the products you use. If your scalp isn't healthy, thick hair is basically impossible. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what actually matters. In my original thicker hair video, I talked about routines and not overdoing it with products. A lot of you took that advice seriously, which is good. But there's one misunderstanding I keep seeing. A lot of you guys, unfortunately, just don't know how important scalp health is when it comes to having thick, healthy hair. When I said shampoo 1 to 3 times per week, a lot of you guys took that to mean don't wash your hair. But that's not what I meant. You still need to be cleaning your scalp regularly. The difference is just how you go about it. Shampoo cleans your hair, but if you shampoo too often, it dries out your strands and slowly hurts thickness. At the same time, not cleaning your scalp leads to buildup, clogged pores, irritation, and slower growth. So now you're stuck choosing between dry hair or a dirty scalp. And that's where most guys get lost. Here's how to know if your scalp is actually the problem. If your scalp gets itchy or tight between washes, if your hair looks clean but it feels flat or lifeless, or if products work at first then stop doing anything, your scalp environment is probably holding your hair back. Here's what I really want to emphasize in this video. Thick hair grows best in a clean, calm scalp environment. Most guys think thicker hair comes from adding more products, but really it comes from removing what's keeping your scalp back. Think of your scalp like soil. You don't let trash pile up on it, but you also don't keep ripping it up either. Most guys have two silent problems slowing growth: buildup on the scalp and excess scalp heat. A lot of shampoos and styling products leave behind residue that slowly clogs pores. Then you add sweat, hats, stress, and your scalp just stays irritated. Blood flow and nutrient delivery to the hair follicles drop, which slows growth and weakens strands. Hair can't grow thick in that environment. That's why scalp-focused products really are what matters here. One I've been using recently is Seaperry's Bubble Tonic. It really cleans my scalp and allows other products I use, like Rosemary Oil, to work a lot better. Here's exactly how I use it and how I implemented it into my routine. On days I shampoo, I wash my hair like normal. And once I get out of the shower, my hair's still wet, I just apply some of the Bubble Tonic directly into my hair. Shampoo cleans my hair, but the Bubble Tonic really makes sure that my scalp doesn't get irritated or get any buildup throughout the day. On days I don't shampoo, I still use the Bubble Tonic. That way I get all the benefit of keeping my hair clear and calm without drying it out. That's the key difference. The salicylic acid helps clear buildup so pores stay open. When pores are clogged, follicles don't function properly, which slows growth and can lead to thinning over time. The menthol cools the scalp and reduces irritation. And because the scalp is clean and calm, anything else I use absorbs better. That's a simple way to fix the shampoo problem without overwashing your hair. So here's the routine simplified. You're still going to want to shampoo 1 to 3 times per week to keep your hair clean. Then every day, apply some Bubble Tonic to make sure your scalp is clean, clear, and is a good environment for growing thick hair. Then apply any growth or styling products you might use, like rosemary oil, after your scalp is actually clean. That's how you protect thickness and support growth at the same time. And just to be clear, you don't lose thickness from washing your scalp. You lose thickness from irritation, buildup, and inconsistency. The reason I really like this approach is because it saves time and money. You don't need 5 different products, you just need the right foundation. This probably won't make your hair thick overnight, but if you feel like you've been stuck, plateaued, or just confused, this might be the missing piece. I'll link the Seaperry Bubble Tonic down below. If you want to go check it out, I recommend you do so. As always, if you're serious about improving and want to look better, please join me in subscribing, and always let me know in the comments what you're struggling with, what I can help you with. Thank you and have a good one.